Hello, I'm sorry, I'm back. I don't know what happened to the internet connection. If it ain't one thing, it's another. First is the daggone. First is the phone overheating. Now it's the internet connection. So I'm share this back into my groups. Come on. So I'm back. Welcome back, please. Thank you. Who's here? Who's here? Tell me who's here. Vicky, you here? Lottie, what happened to Lottie? Lottie ain't come on. That's right. I ain't see Lottie. Who's here, y'all? Tell me who's here. I'm back. I don't see nobody saying nothing, so I don't know who's here. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what happened, but I know what happened. The connection, I don't know. I have it on my Wi-Fi, so the connection was bad. So I put it on my little travel Wi-Fi. I put it on my little travel Wi-Fi. So hopefully everybody will start coming back. I thought I deleted that. Let's see.
As you can tell, I'm not from the East Coast. I moved here 4 years ago, and I'm really proud. I'm already a douchebag. My favorite thing since moving here has been messing with panhandlers on the train.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Come on in, people. Come on in. Come on in the room. Come on in the room. I apologize. My connection died or something. I don't know. And I switched it on my Wi-Fi and it wasn't connecting. Or it was connected and it wasn't working. I don't know what was going on. But I'm back. I don't know who's here because nobody's commenting. Can somebody comment? Say something. I see Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I see Sarah. How you doing, Sarah? And I'm just sitting in the car waiting for alternate side of the street to be over. I'm crochet a little, and then I'm gonna go in the house and go get a nap because I'm sleepy. I got about 14 boxes in my house of jewelry. So I think I'm gonna do a live probably around 5 or 6 o'clock, since I don't have to cook because it's leftover food from yesterday. So I'll probably do a live around 5 o'clock. No, I like Dictionation. So 6:30 I'll be live on my jewelry page. So Sarah, if you can, Melinda, hey Melinda, if you haven't already, everybody please click the like and follow button here, and if you're on my jewelry page, click the like and follow button over there. That's another thing. Facebook don't like you saying certain words. They'll cut you off and all kind of foolishness. So maybe that's what happened too. Hey, Margarita. Welcome everybody. I'm gonna try to put it here. I put the phone down because I took it out of my case because let me tell you, every time I come live, She's the same. Every time I come live, it says it goes out because it overheats. So I took it out of my phone case. It's not in the phone case. So the phone was getting hot. So I put it in the air conditioner so it could cool off some. Okay? I got the air on. It's kind of hot outside today. I don't know, but I got the air on and everything. So if anybody crocheting, what's on your hook if you crochet? Who's that? Hey, Ebony, what's up, girl? Let me see. Let me get my let me get Nayaro in back in here and see. Anybody crochet? Ebony, what you crocheting? So I had asked the last set of girls that was on here, does this look like a crown to you? Does this look like a crown? Does this look like a crown to you? I don't think it looks like a crown. How you doing, Ebony? So I said I'm going to just finish off this row on the sweater, cut the yarn, and I'm going to start the sweater over. It's not going to really take me no time. I started this yesterday, but because I was cleaning and I had to cook dinner, I didn't get to finish it. So I'm going to start it over. I'm going to change the hook size and everything. Oh, matter of fact, I got to call Furls because one of my hooks fell and broke. So they have something where you could get one replacement free. So I'm going to call them and see if they can send me a replacement. Plus, I wanted to buy one, and it has a coupon for me to use, and the coupon is not working. So I said I'm going to call them and see why the coupon not working. You not crocheting nothing? Do you think this look like a crown? It's not finished. Maybe that's what it is. It's not finished. I got like 1 or 2 more rows to do, and then I have to do like the plain row. But I said I'm going to do, when I do the next one, is I'm not going to do this crown. I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to do the base of the sweater, this color blue, and then this going to be the crown. You going to buy what for your birthday? Okay. You gonna buy what furls hook for your birthday, Ebony? Hold it up again. It's another crown graph that I've seen, so I'm gonna try that one and see. Cause I wanted to put it on the back, and then I was gonna put a smaller one in the front, and then a small one on the head, cause she want a crown on the sweater. So she want a crown on the stuff. So and nobody coming back from the last live. I had a lot of people on the last live, and nobody had Fifi and all of them on the last live. But I am so tired. I cannot wait till this alternate side street part. But you know what? When I go in the house and lay down, I'm not going to fall asleep anyway. So I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. But if you girl, I don't know. I'm just going to leave it and cut the thread like I said and do another one. Now, do you she's the same, Ebony, thank you. I mean, yeah, Ebony. I'm forgetting who I'm talking to. Like, she's the same. Thanks for asking. Everybody, thank you for asking and having concerns about my mother. I appreciate that. And praying for her. I really appreciate it. And me. I definitely appreciate that. I'm not ready for her to leave me yet. So I'm tired, but I am so sleepy. I know. I laid down. I got in the bed like 9 something, but I didn't lay down until 2 something this morning. No, I had to get up at 5 to leave out by 6, but I left out before 6 because I got to the dealer at 6:15. I got there. I got to the dealer like 6:15 in the morning, and they don't open up till 7:30. Yeah, I know she gonna get better. I know. So I cooked dinner last night. I made some baked macaroni and cheese, homemade, not the box craft one. I made my son was like, "Ooh, it's cheesy." I made some baked chicken because he don't want to eat fried stuff, and I made me a piece of salmon and some sauteed spinach. So it's some leftover food. I'll probably just make a little bit more spinach. But it's some leftover food, and we can eat that again tonight. Then I have I want to go get some mushrooms because I don't want to always keep eating fish. So I want to get some, because you can eat too much fish and have too much mercury in your body. So I want to get some mushrooms and maybe saute some mushrooms, and I don't know if he want any steak or anything. I could grill him a steak. He don't want to eat no starch, so it's vegetables. But macaroni is starch. I mean, the macaroni noodles is starch, but he don't want to eat like rice. Like, I'm a rice eater. I love rice. So, and then maybe one day I'll make some spaghetti and meatballs, and he eat the meatballs, and I'll just eat the spaghetti. Get the vegetarian noodles for the spaghetti. But the daggone, what he bought yesterday, he bought 2 bags of spinach. He bought my ginger beer. It's 4 for $5. The spinach was $3.99 a bag. He bought the cheese, the cheese that I use for the macaroni and cheese. He bought 2 bags of shrimp. He bought one piece of salmon was $8 and change. He bought 1 piece of salmon, and I only ate half of it, so I got half left. And he bought some napkins and some paper plates and some paper towels, and that was $70. That was $70. I was like, well, he's talking about, I gave him $60. He's talking about, you didn't give me enough. I was like, well, what? And he went to Dollar Tree and got the napkins and the paper plates. Oh, he bought some liquid hand soap for the bathroom. He got all of that from Dollar Tree. And 2 pans to make the baked macaroni and cheese and to make the baked chicken. So he bought all of that at Dollar Tree. And then he went to the grocery store and got the spinach and the shrimp. He went to the fish market and got the piece of fish, because he bought the frozen shrimp. He got the spinach. Okay, he got the piece of shrimp at the fish market, the piece of fish. And then he got the I'm just rambling, right? And then he got the spinach, the 2 bags of spinach, the ginger beer, the 2 bags of shrimp. He didn't even get the cold cuts, and I told him to get cold cuts for himself so he has something to eat. He didn't even, and the cheese. So I gotta send him back to the store maybe tomorrow to get cold cuts for him to have that in the house, or maybe later on today before it get too dark. Cause I really don't. After all them tests, I don't think I'm gonna let her rest. So yesterday, and then we'll go tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. We'll go tomorrow. Cause I'm tired. I need some rest too. Oh, I didn't even see Miss Mary. Hey, Miss Mary. I don't know if she's still here. I didn't see her come in. But yeah, so Nobody can say I don't come live. I come live and only 3 people come back. I went and I notified Niara. She didn't come back. They're going first the phone overheats, and now the Wi-Fi. I don't know what to do. But thank you for sitting here and listening to me, Ebony, and not getting off. I'm about to get off myself. I just wish 1 o'clock would hurry up and come. I think I said like I'm gonna come back live at 6:30 because I got so many boxes of jewelry and I need to start selling some of that jewelry so I can start making some money back. Plus, it's the last couple of days before Fashion Fix pieces, so I'm gonna show those one more time. I'm gonna call them tomorrow and put some money on my the Fashion Fix to buy the pieces, and that's it. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my page, please come do it. So Ebony, I'm going to host this again after I don't know if you still, I see your picture, but I don't think you there. I'm going to post this again after I do the different crown. I couldn't think of what I was going to say. Hey Shay, what's up, girl? Your package is in the mail to you. That's another thing. I went to the post office today and mailed off some packages that I had sitting there from last week. Oh shoot, I forgot what's the name package. I'll mail it off. I'll mail it off before I leave. I forgot to, cause I gotta get her stuff out the boxes. I forgot her stuff. Maybe I'll take it tomorrow. Girl, I have a little bit of everything. I have a G, a H, a F. I think F is the smallest one. So I got a F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, P. Those are the ones I have. She's the same, Shay. She's the same. So I got Shay, you going Friday, right? Oh, welcome back, Lisa. Now everybody's starting to come back in. Welcome back. Shay, you going Friday? You coming Friday? We leaving early in the morning so we can get off the road because they talking about the weather going to be bad and I don't like to drive in the rain. So, and that's another thing too. So, hi, darling.
Anybody in your house?
My son is there.
Because I got 3 packages up there. Ain't nobody coming to the door.
He probably sleep. You put it inside the
No,
gate?
they can't fit inside.
Give them to me.
They big.
Oh. Because I talk to y'all later. Let me go get my packages. I talk to y'all later. Bye.
Where your mom at?
In the hospital.
Oh, she is? What you putting?